Hello lovelies, what is up? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I create beauty content for women over 40. Whether it's trying out makeup from the drugstore or from Sephora, I just love to create makeup looks for you guys and try out new makeup. If that sounds like something you are into, it'd be great to have you here. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. That would help me out so much. Today we're going to try out some new to me drugstore makeup products for an easy, effortless, simple, light, everyday makeup for mature skin, hydrated glow, everything in between, makeup, no makeup look, all of it. So if that sounds like something you are into as well, then just keep watching and we will get into the makeup look. We've made it to that special time of winter where we just feel dry and depleted and groggy and gross and lackluster. So I'm gonna do a makeup look that just looks fresh and light and glowy without being overly sparkly and iridescent and like almost greasy looking where it's too much for mature skin. I have a few new to me products from the drugstore that are going to help us achieve that look. Something from Quo, something from Essence, and Mario Badescu. I don't know how to say that, but yeah, we are trying these out on the skin and it's gonna give us a nice healthy glow. Right, maybe it's Mario Badescu, I don't know. Butchering it, I'm sorry. So we're going to go in with this facial spray with Aloe, Sage, and Orange Blossom. I was testing them out on my hand at the drugstore the other day and it just felt so soft and supple on the hand, and then I tried it on my skin as well. It just gave a soft, supple look to the skin without, again, looking greasy or too shiny. So this spray is to hydrate and refresh. They had a few different other colors with different scents to them and different purposes. So we want to refresh and hydrate for sure, especially getting into February and March, hopefully getting into some warmer months. So I'm just gonna go and give a nice spray. It smells so good without being overpowering. Already just underneath my eyes look a lot more refreshed. Next on the skin, I saw Mrs. Hailey Biebs trying this out with her glazing milk. She mixed it on the back of her hand with her skin tint or foundation and just applied that together. So we are going to do that as well. Just apply a generous drop on the back of the hand, as well as our skin tint or foundation, whichever you prefer. And then we're just going to blend that nicely together and apply it to the skin. And I find that the glazing milk just helps plump my skin so nicely. Like I said, it's just for the day. Like when you wash the product off, skin prunes back up like a raisin, but for the day, for the moment, wearing this really nicely plumpens the creping around my lips. Now on top of this, we're gonna go into the Quo Beauty Golden Glow Drops with peptides and squalene. This is one of their best sellers, so shake well before use. Add 2 to 3 drops to your favorite moisturizer or serum for a golden hour glow, or apply to skin under makeup for a boost of radiance. Well, we are not doing any of that, and that is totally fine because I think you can use this product however. We are going to go on top of the skin with this. I did try to mix it in with my foundation, also works very lovely, but since we already mixed our skin tint with another moisturizer, I didn't want to dilute it too much, so we are going over top of the skin with this. And this is so pretty glow without being super iridescent or sparkly like some of the products that are meant to give you that glow kind of have like big flecks of sparkle in them, if that makes sense. But this one is just nice and light, give you a glow without being too crazy. For my concealer, I'm going to go in with my Multitasker Wake Me Up foundation, well, concealer and foundation with vitamin C and caffeine. So brighten up these under eyes, depuff. I don't like using the roller on my eye directly, so I just go in with a little bit of the product and just dab it. Dab it underneath the eye, pat really lightly, not pulling or tugging at the skin. And this product just blends out really, really nicely under the eye. It is light enough that it doesn't look cakey, but coverage enough that it brightens up those cooler tones. So you can even go on the outer corner of the eye with it a little bit. It doesn't settle into the creases very much and the wrinkles. I just put that in my hair. I feel like I lost the product. Oh, I just didn't pick it up off the wand. All right, another product from Quo Beauty, new to me, absolutely delicious on the skin, is the Bronzing Balm with hyaluronic acid. I did get this in the shade Medium Bronze 51. They have a few different shades, so this just feels so luxurious and balmy and creamy when you blend it out on the skin, and then it dries down nicely to like a powder finish. So did do spray tan yesterday, so I don't feel like I need too much bronze, so I'm not going to go in with anything to contour. I'm just going to go straight into giving a little extra bronze to the cheek with this product. So I'm just going to go in with my finger and just pat that on the skin, up on the cheekbones. This is very pigmented, as you can see. It's giving a lot of bronze. So this is probably something I would prefer to use as my self-tanner is wearing off throughout the week as I'm washing my face, because it's quite bronzy. But like I said, goes on smooth like a balm and then dries down so nicely. So I just contoured my nose off camera. I love to contour my nose every day. I'm gonna go in with these two lip stains from Quo Beauty. The Cool Nude is so perfect, matches my lip color perfectly. So I like to just overline right up on top of that kind of bright part around the lip, just to add fullness, make my lip look a little bit bigger. So definitely try this one out. The Cool Nude, it's so natural and it just matches really perfectly with pinky lips. And this lasts so well throughout the day. And it just looks really natural. Because it's a stain, it doesn't look like too much like lip liner. And you can kind of just bleed it down into your lips. Perfect, so perfect. So after I go in with the Cool Nude, I'm gonna go in a little bit with the Warm Nude just to add a little bit of depth. And I just kind of lightly go over that, and it just adds a little bit more of a natural look to the lip. And like these two products together, it just looks like your natural lip and bigger. So try them out. To finish it all off, I'm going to try out Essence's new Bouncy Plump Hydrating Dewy Spray to just set your makeup. You can prime and set with this, so you can go in before if you just want to use this as your primer, but I'm going to use it as my setting spray. It smells so good too. but I missed having a setting spray. I haven't been using one. I feel like it just kind of blends all the makeup together, just melts it all together, and just gives you a nice hydrated glow to the skin as well. So I just applied some mascara. I'm gonna go in with my Image Skincare Ormedic Balancing Lip Enhancement Complex. This is a great one for the months of, actually anytime your lips are dry. This one's awesome. It lasts so well and it really hydrates. I love just putting it on before bed, but just gonna go over the lips with this. All right, this is the final look, an easy, everyday, makeup, no makeup, fresh, youthful, glowing, hydrated makeup look for maturing skin, everything that you would ever want it to be. Yeah, so final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will list the products that I used in the description box if you want to check them out and try them out yourselves. So thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.